about mechanics. If a body does not change its position with respect to surroundings or with respect to time, so it is not moving, it is not changing its position, then the body is in rest position. If a body changes position, here in the first position it is not changing, that means it is not moving. Second position, it is moving, changing its position. So with respect to surroundings or time, then the body is in motion. Third one, the motion in which all parts of the body change simultaneously through the same distance in same time. So the body's parts change simultaneously in same distance through same distance in same time. Then the motion is called translatory. Translatory motion. Okay. So a body moves along a straight line. If a body moves along a straight line, then the path is known as rectilinear. Rectilinear motion. Remember, translator motion is translated into two types: rectilinear and curvilinear. Okay. If a body moves in a curved path, is curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. The motion of a body along its own axis, important term is own axis, passing through itself without changing its position is known as, so on its own axis, so it is known as rotatory motion. The motion in which the body travels a circular path is known as circular motion. Circular motion. Okay. Next, the to and fro motion of an object. To and fro is known as vibratory or oscillatory motion. Or vibratory. The to and fro motion is also known as oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. Continuation, ninth bit. Any motion that repeats itself at regular intervals of time, that repeats itself. For suppose the body is moving from A to B and it takes 5 seconds, and B to A it is moving and it takes 5 seconds, and again A to B 5 seconds, B to A 5 seconds. So at regular intervals of time, the motion is going on that repeats itself. So that motion is known as that repeating. That is repeating. So that is periodic motion. Okay. Next, irregular motion of bodies changing in nature frequently. So we cannot identify the motion of the object. So that is random motion. Okay. Next, a moving car is in state of dash with respect to a tree. So if you observe the distance between car and tree, the distance is changing. So obviously the car is in motion with respect to tree. A girl on a bicycle is in state of dash with respect to the bicycle. So since the girl is on the bicycle, the distance between girl and bicycle is not changing. So obviously the girl is in rest with respect to bicycle. Okay, a boy riding on a bike is in or at with respect to a house. So the boy is moving on a bike. So with respect to house, the distance between boy and house is changing. So obviously it is in motion. He is in motion. Spinning top is an example of rotatory motion because of it is moving on its own axis. Moving bus is an example of course, linear, translatory, rectilinear, motion. Next, circular motion is the special case of, so it is the special case of rotatory motion. The motion of hands in a clock, so it has two answers. Depending upon the options, we have to keep it. So the motion of hands in a clock, so it is rotating. So rotatory motion because on a fixed axis, the hands are moving, or the motion of hands in a clock is an example of periodic motion. So depending upon the options, we have to keep both answers are right. The motion of swinging hands of a soldier. The motion of swinging hands of a soldier is to and fro motion. So that is oscillatory or vibratory motion. Oscillatory or vibratory motion. Next, motion of toy train on a circular track. In the question itself, it has circular track. It is circular motion. Right. So continuation. The motion of a drilling bit. So that is used to make holes to the walls or wood. So in that, the drill bit, the rod is rotatory motion, as well as the rod is moving towards the wall. So it possesses both rotatory and translatory motion. Next, the motion of wheels of a moving car. The motion of wheels of a moving car. So wheels, rotatory motion as well as translatory motion. That's why the car is moving forward. So rotatory motion and translatory motion. Rolling ball shows. If you roll a ball on the ground, the ball rotates. So it has rotatory motion as well as the ball moves forward. So translatory motion. The motion of a butterfly, we cannot identify the motion. So that is random motion. Motion of a giant wheel. Giant wheel is rotating on about a fixed axis. So it is rotatory motion. Occurrence of thunderbolts, urumulu, meripulu. So that we cannot identify. So these thunderbolts does not occur at a regular intervals of time. So it is non-periodic. That's it.